In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800703f1 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the best match. Then we need to simply look for the background intelligent transfer service. Double click. Change this to automatic and click on Start. Apply and then OK. If it is already running, click the restart button on the left pane. Scroll down to the W section. Look for the Windows Update service. Right click, go to Properties. Make sure this is automatic. Click on Start. Apply and then OK. If it is already running, click the restart button on the left pane. And then just restart your Windows afterwards. Then the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control. Simply type SFC space forward slash scan now. SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so wait for the process to be 100% completed. So you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. Type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.